Starting around the 28th of May 2023, Ethereum fundamentally is exchanging at $1,842.20 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.01% in the most recent 60 minutes, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. ETH especially has a sort of complete market cap of $221,535,727,852, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,098,096,092, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This generally makes Ethereum beautiful positioning at 2 in the digital currency market in an every practical sense, significant way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum be in every way that really matters? Worth in 2023, which truly is very critical. Is Ethereum a by and large wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they for the most part thought? Will ETH cost, all things considered, outperform its untouched extremely high in a quite huge manner? These are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH cost generally is supposed to cross an exceptionally normal value level of $2,428.81. The normal really least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to sort of be $2,336.55 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, ETH can really arrive at a greatest value level of $2,607.47 in an especially huge manner. Ethereum value conjecture May 2023. In May 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Ethereum could for the most part stretch around $1,992.77, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in May 2023 certainly is $1,771.35, with a very normal cost of $1,937.42, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum value expectation June 2023. Ethereum cost most certainly is supposed to truly reach between $1,883.91 to $2,070.27 in June 2023, while the especially normal cost of ETH for the June in every practical sense stays around $1,976.16. Ethereum value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Ethereum especially is most certainly anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at a truly normal cost of $2,035.45, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $2,149.31 and a truly least of $1,943.19, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Ethereum value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally is supposed to generally be at around a truly least of $2,043.06, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost can truly arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $2,230.73, with the truly normal cost of $2,116.87 in USD. So Ethereum value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is supposed to be at around an exceptionally least of $2,043.06 in a fundamentally significant manner. Ethereum value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Ethereum cost in every practical sense is estimate to in a real sense arrive at a particularly the most minimal cost of $2,085.40, which in a real sense is very huge. The ETH cost could fundamentally arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $2,315.41, with the very normal expected cost around $2,159.20 in a truly significant manner. Ethereum value expectation October 2023. The cost of Ethereum in every practical sense is truly anticipated to generally reach at a genuinely least worth of $2,153.31 in October 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The ETH cost could basically arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $2,401.77, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $2,245.57 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense is anticipated to explicitly arrive at a sort of typical cost of $2,335.39, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $2,514.05 and a kind of least of $2,243.14, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. ETH value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Ethereum basically is gauged to be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $2,336.55, showing the way that the ETH cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $2,401.77 with the all things considered. Normal exchanging worth of $2,245.57 all through 2023, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Ethereum value worth can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of $2,607.47 with the typical exchanging worth of $2,428.81 in USD, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost especially has shown a genuinely decent increment of 1.16% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the ETH truly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.87%, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum especially has shown extremely serious areas of strength for of potential of late. And this could be certainly great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, showing how might ETH cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH truly diminished by 13.270%, taking out an astounding sort of normal amount of $281.86 from its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down really implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a sort of goodbye and large purchase, a potential open door for fundamentally speedy venture, which for the most part shows that Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH value sort of is supposed to commonly cross a for the most part normal value level of $2,428.81. The normal kind of least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to explicitly be $2,336.55, or so they generally thought. The 90 days cost change by and large is around 13.07%, and the cost especially flowed from a truly least typical cost of $1,579.46 to kind of greatest essential normal cost of $1,632.15 in the beyond 90 days in a truly significant manner. In very most recent 4 months, Ethereum in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, which in a real sense is very huge. Consequently, we generally feel that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, showing how Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH cost basically is supposed to generally cross a very normal value level of $2,428